Hi everyone, this is Diana D, and I wanted to come on today and do a video on some mail that I got today. I'm going to start with this package here, which come from Rena's Thread and Crafts. I ordered this from her website. I had gotten the stained glass cake in Michi's mystery box and loved it. So I wanted to, I went onto her website and I found another one to get. And this one is called the Gothic Rainbow Gradient Cotton Natural Fiber Yarn. And, wow, it's gorgeous. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, wow. Look at those colors. Aren't they gorgeous? Put my glasses on so I can see. It says 8-ply cotton. It's a mini cake, approximately 800 yards, fingering weight, hand wash, hang to dry, or machine wash delicate dry. But I don't, it is just, the colors are just gorgeous. Alright, that was the first package. And the next package is from Mama G. She had her D-Stash auction. And so I got 3 packs of this Bernay baby blanket yarn. It's the yellow. It says it is a number 6. Color is baby yellow. And there's 72 yards per skein. So that's 4 packs of 3 skeins. Okay, and then this next package is a big surprise for anyone on my channel. I have been talking with this person about doing a colorway for my channel, and this is going to be the colorway. But I got this card, and it says, "Dear Diana, thank you so much for purchasing from my shop. I hope you enjoy your new yarn. Please come back when you can, and if you could rate and review your experience, it would be greatly appreciated. God bless you, Melissa, Crochet in Agreement." And in the envelope with the card, she sent this hand cream, which I'll be excited to try that one. And then some stickers. There's a koala bear, super cute. Some yarn and needles, super cute. Aw, look at that. And then here's one that says, "Perhaps this is the moment for which you were created." and a little cat. And this one says, "Be the light." Okay, so it is time to open this up and see what we got. Okay. Now these are called Diana D's Dancing Butterflies. And look at those colors. Aren't them gorgeous? Alright, the stats on this is, the weight is a 3, and there's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 294 meters, and 322 yards per hank. 100% acrylic. Recommended hook and needles are 5mm and 4mm. Machine wash, cold, tumble dry, do not bleach or iron. So I got 4 of those hanks, and get the other 2 out here. I'll make sure that they're all there. Oops. Grab the envelope. Look at those. Now, Melissa is going to be putting up a link on her page so that if anyone wants to purchase my colorway, our colorway, I guess it's for the channel, you can go to her site and click the link. I will put the link in the description box as soon as she gets me the link. So, oh, and then there was, she also put a card and a stitch marker in there. Oh. Look at the stitch markers. This one, I think, is her logo even. I'm not positive, but I think it might be. And the other one, it's a heart. And it says, "Made with love." Them are so cute. And then I got a bag of Lipton green tea. Thank you so much, Melissa. I love it. And I can't wait to see if anyone else is interested in purchasing some. And you never know, you might find some of this in one of my giveaways. So everyone have a great day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.